Hey physics. So here is the review that you're going to be doing today, this morning, and tomorrow morning. It is graded, as you can see, and what you need to know about this is that the answers are all in there, but you're going to have to decide where they go. So we start off with a word bank. We've got this useful triangle thing to help you figure out how the equations are supposed to go. And then this is an answer bank for the rest of the problems on this thing. So what you're going to need to do is to read the questions, put your work in there so you're showing how you're figuring this stuff out, and then you're going to figure out which answer is going to go in there. All right, so it's worth 30 points. It will be graded, so you get feedback on what you get here. And yeah, there we go. That's the plan.